Hello again guys, today we have a new unboxing and this is the Parkside multi-purpose air tool model PDUW 280A1. Included inside some accessory. We're going to see what we have inside. 3 years warranty from Lidl, innovating high quality, easy to use functionality. Yeah, very good. It costs only 100 euros and let's see what we have inside. Okay, as we open it, it reveals this huge, very heavy. One has that. Okay, some screws, assembly, flat chisel. Yes, flat chisel, bolster chisel. This is one sculptor. Very heavy tools. The two. Okay. Oh, safety precaution first. Very nice. Nice glasses for your safety. Oh, it feels very good. Definitely very nice. This is for your ears. Very easy to assemble it. Just push it. Go all there. Very good safety for your ears. Feels free. Oh, and this is the baluster chisel. Yep. Let's go to the 4 and 5. Oh, this is the flat chisel, and this is the pointing chisel. Some manuals, very nice. Nice package, very organized. Well, and here it is, everything. Why it's nice and tight. Space. Oh, let's say again, we have the quick coupling. Very heavy item, 105 decibel it says. Very durable. It feels very durable. It's connected to your air hose. Next we have this spade sculptor. You can assemble it with these screws. This is a bolster chisel. We have the flat chisel and we have the pointed chisel. Our safety glasses again, and of course this is for the sound. And let's assemble it to see how it works. Oh, it feels very durable. It feels very good manufacture. Oh, how it goes. And it locks. Then you can connect it to your air hose here. Very easy. Just push the button and it will start to, you know. Yeah, it's very heavy. It feels very good. Sorry, but I am not going to test it because I don't have anything to demolish or destroy. And that was all. And that was all guys. This was the unboxing and reviewing of this lovely multi-purpose air tool. I think it will worth the 100 euros if you're a fan of the air tools. Definitely you can buy it. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my video. It's your choice. But hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.